naigo abalinse y'emyaka eyo nigo balinse y'amorokereryo y'abaibuli.
Mbia mano sana mwanchi umuligirira wikita seni Kiandizi TV nebiro bindende ngo kwaligania ase omuro bilyo bwinse yoboncheria kertura beto kumulikera amangana ayo berega koyegwa obolito asensemeri ye budget mwanchi umuligirira kolengana muna yabeteke gosoma abuli tukoli goronto beto kumulikera ase ekerengo gichi county na barabunga kibakorosia budget yabo nto beto kumulikera amangana mange kertura bito sangano mugeni to aseli tukolierero mwanchi muligeria okwaligani bene aseli tukeliga elinde gusanga sobwa mo gochaka bona igagoika omweli litrene Frida Kerubo niliokaneke mna chibichanilio gira gukira sole nchira ya bene nere Nyanchama Abigail na bokwenda kutubwatia asinsemo chichi mitandao asensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital nsemeri ya YouTube Ndizi TV News website www.ndizitv.net boigo sanga na ntokerengeli kyago gwetrasi namba yesimi ya 0792192834 otumanye ngayo kugwatia omorobeli koltiangeli bageli gali ya bene ni omugeni ase studio atumanye na kyakorokwa na endenga yakorokoro karibu sana.
Asante sana Frida. Asama leta ngurubu Douglas Tongeo. Useli Sosa. Ya wantalanga bamanye tukuru Nyamila. Nchenkere Nyamila County West Mugrango Obichora Ward. Na ndena ward siasa yeo chumbe wa West Mugrango ngake yaeta. Naenda apart from siasa nko analyze storage budgets chi county and the national government. Unaona ngo tuwata mashirika lishirika moto huwa kana lero international budget partnership Kenya. Tuwate Ulaya Trust. We have an organization called Empowered Citizens Against Poverty. NGO kuwaki Nyamila, Kisii, Homa Bay, Kisumu. Tuwate ngowaki tole na Graduate Smile community-based organization based in Kisii. I am a budget champion in Nyamira and tuwate to create budget champions by Nyamira vale every ward. We have trained them about to manage a budget na kya analyze. Uno ngwa kerambe muno abatagereria bali batotagerete no tuji go discuss amana ye budget both from Nyamira and Kisii na national budget torole inakiwa affect mwananchi na ndenga mwananchi abwene tawaswera asamana ye budget ile budget go somwa no bakolengera na ye government but this our budget goes into kwenye fund from our taxes.
Okay. Karibu sana na yuko uko na gabunga banta bange bakumaite ngari sosa. Batiri sosa linga iri koruhera amasoso simegeta mange.
Na bade project yo kwempower abana na youth amagana yo kosimekali sosa. Up to now kubande chindete chemyongo basimeka because the only way ka siasa dalio kosero mundu chibesa kumwegere unako ruba airinde tenenere. So that's one of the projects into what the project hingi like that's one of the projects ingo parali Nyamira to train abangina na kiranya kwenye was pumpkins na other project no yam sinko batol lakini ndio ndaliswa ekero ko ruege ntukirukuru abantu ikabagoro keliteli
ikabakori taligia. Okay, karibu sana Risosa ase omorobeli gabwense yo boncherele linde tabatogo sanga so bwa mokonde mwanchumulie naganete kumulikira amangana ali tukolia lero ntoganete koigwanga budget ngento kike mirobeli keli kobwatigwa yamanya koene kigwa asensemeli yokanekenga budget yaberege korosigwa boigo ndikumulikira nga aina yechi budget tobwate nchire chinga kie serikali yechi county chikorose na chiro cyo ensemo yabo ye budget boigo mwanchumulie ntobeto kumulikira igoro ye finance bill yo mwako yega wichiri ubere 2024 boigo ntobeto kumulikira nga Hekere serikali ekorosia budget ayo mwananchi ngoboligwa karangiligwa osibirengereri byagongo bakubire byasangiririgwa elinde byaba bikobikiraniwamo elinde kwanekia nga budget yaberege korosigwa bwikirano igo mwanchi muligeria ebyongati y'ebintu biri turabe to kumurikira ase emambi ya lero hekere turabe to gusanga no mugeni tase studio yomanyikanite na resource oyo rabe gagotoeresera aso women metengana bwate obumanyi bwekerengo kigora sense milia arengete budget anaende nduchiko batuku mubolia amabolio arengete ekerengekyo kondo mwanchumulire asanga nintwe asomorobiriga elinde tobeto gwesemya amange akonde risose gentonde ritoramulikira emambi yabone komete tonyagate mwanchumulire nga budget ningi.
A budget very different than a budget ile wananchi bako wako erosere nyumba nonekero ulikirigas korosole budget y'umushahara konyore bitoke na byo gutumeka chivesecho na national government na county government korosole budget but ibone budget ya national na county government ne bwate stage koroswa so wate stage inye che budget budget stage ntangane ko formulation stage ya kabere ya kwa approval nabone budget estimates sigoro ya sometwe waziri au finance lakini ekra ya sometwe ya somere tu ababunge bairwe ngakyo muswani wiki banyerigereri so bakonye approve bakonye eti ibali ya eti bakonyekana bakonye opos iwono ntuchi gutwara budget after ya vera approved egero gwego ku implementation ewanza ko colleagues like June first budget ekorani makomogima ewanza from June first mpaka 30th June na mtu ujuika 30th June budget ya 2023 2024 na liyekoera ya 2024 2025 as July ekore kwende ejikoera 30th June next year to what the last stage to koroka audit and evaluation as to auditor MCS nona bachumbe wenda kwanza kuligirerie budget y'ebintu bibya bangetu amatumizi the project cyabegetu kibese ncyabeta spend kulingana n'ebintu biri usinto eternity amatumizi use each project nje kwa on the way yono a budget mpangilio kwa serikali either national or unakieko chi one konyora chibesa yo kufandi budget naende na ki project yaro beri makomugima chiko tumeka matumisi yari nabekire yerinde project ya services cyaba na inchi chikore kwirende akina hibona lokoro ke budget but in between the budget toward the budget ko funded one unachi budget ni sekota na ye county baranyara ku understand ko funded na four components one ngentundere tokoroka equity per share chiba sinjeje ku national government chikayo county pati kwa kulingana na revenue projection na kimoja usangire bango ya inangani bamago based on that baba equity per share ntobwate entre ko unspent balances chiba sinjira mu week at the end of the year wanyora chiabero carried forward mutachi tumigeti chiba sinjira na chile back chia swipe budget yeo chikorosiwa number 3 ntobwate entre ko our own source revenue kile serikali either ya national or ya county nebegete mupangire one ko collect ebango ebangelika ya vera collected nengo sera se budget lastly nkonya tole ntogorwa conditional grants orongo what conditional and unconditional grants konyo role una ono county cheito na Nyamira Kisini Chinde chire donors mbao chede chibese bago chi condition chibese chi chibanda as municipality chibese chibanda as environment chibese chibanda as agriculture bago chi condition chi na kitokuruka conditional grant bono in total a budget ya mako rokana nere total budget unaona Nyamira to the budget yo mako 7 billion plus ekobegete all these things bono nero egotume kumwa kumwa ne project kiri executive ya tebere jokora wananchi.
Okay. Nkoba kugokwaniraga nga ekere budget ya berike gosomwa ababunge nkoye gobalilibaga barayirigereria bamanya kuyeti yabakoba budget ekero kurigereria totebe ekero ababunge maybe bintu mbiroro bakurigereria se budget eri baranga mbibwenereti kobororo kerekende babwato kubwa kukubikana gose ebakuyiri budget ingima gose bakorusi bintu biri batataiti bibase budget
ababunge abatotomete in parliament iba wenda kwa independent but unfortunately okonyora ababunge bale bakoruna be serikali no wa the Kenya Kwanza government okonyora bakoba dictated but take a role mu bungole informed when they interrogate a budget kigere budget yegere koroswa no one budget ya summit yesterday 4 trillion kigere 4 trillion to kweboli tangani kigera a budget ko funded na taxes itangani ya national government and then of course into what borrowing from local borrowing outside borrowing you see that and then to what then conditional grants into what the grants maybe donors barato HVS but nene budget ya national government percentage nene kurwa taxes bono uno muchumbe kero kwa yaso miru bakonyi unabone batigirwo no muswani wiki wa internet banyirigerere kabisa bono mbabwene tekoligeria chibese government ye plan kwenda go spend for the year 2004-2005 like chucha korwa unabona ntubwate financial bill ya 2024 ibata eyego cha korwa e financial bill ekrego etuwe ko financial act ya legality government yanza kusangireta tax nabona kerongo ligerere that kwelende that budget ya summit itangani 4 trillion our source revenue keroto kusangire taxi unabanye program ti bagadana to kusangire tax ya 3 trillion because there is a deficit ya 1 trillion asaba uja wakole kwende ngaiba uja kuruskibeseki ba either borrowing and other things bono muchumbe usaba bunge aba national government emba wenda we interrogate that budget unaona toroje ba introduce things to go new taxes kile very punitive kila affect mo Kenya but verende budget matolete lakini taxes is more introductory no wala bore wa affect mo Kenya budget ye on tugatonye weri batolete budget turanya era nyara ko sustained igomba bwate legal or actually legally na wale mandated to wait a budget to saba wait a budget
okay ekero kurigereria ngaki budget yige korosigwa
a budget litanga ni twanzere formulation ni wanso mutinyo nane the previous year the budget one ya so metu gotali goro ya rosetu ya stagoro su mutinyo nane last year ya either the stages ya tambaka stages mbaka 30th April ya mako submitted to the parliament that is the committee nerali babon dinyo batinete ko budget
and planning
appropriation committee enere kuligereria these are budget estimates charure treasury bono a budget a process ekare answer mutenyonane that is when circulars kikorwa from treasury to departments to other department in national government kikorwa to ministries ministry ya what and what to a budget no project mudala ko mwaka ogocha that is 2024-2025 ministry department get the toy budget ba mago ya treasury ya consolidate yateba these are the projects to that okorera bananchi umwaka unabone budget ya someto ya magororo ya korerwa ngo etere yaenda kwelende yaenda stokorokas public participation na on 24th May public participation ye budget inja korwa but unfortunately abananchi abange mbamaite na bago participate this budget ya national government kigere unaona twanye koleta unanyamira ya koleta kebirgo igo abantu ambajete murwa maoni muri gere project national government ite ko bakorera ndo ba national projects na county projects bono muri gari project jibeke no na jipara ile ngajibekire Nyamira county jipara ile ngajibekire in Kisii county una namagana ya agriculture kigira there are some functions you go korwa cha national government at the county level project kie national government ya babekire like education yoma the school nini chiranda national government because it was that function was not fully developed security kelegendo ketu aligerire sektora project china chibekire this is the amount of money chiraroke allocated to aligere nere equitable yani a budget ne when the cover to develop we region ya mo onyeleke chibasi nyingo tigere region it's not one graba na nchi banye kolere public participation vali treat that committee yanda ya chikorose report yanda ba area getimbo babegere chi project ye lakini aba nchi project bata idene nechi so chawa incorporated in the budget uroro ayamanya okori kwende ya irwa parliament unabono ya minister nyeri the parliament ikasomwa this is the plans ye government and this the amount of money to target chitu a budget chigo cha spend in this budget ona bono no tuikire the one as we had bono tukanyetawa MPs abaenda kwenye discuss na kwenye debate barosa amaoni ali abananchi ba ekero public participation ya koleto na they incorporated by interrogate this budget so ba konyora that ngofefere amonanchi dali ngofefere government my kunyeti
okay nkoba ko kwanira gabunga nkorosi bali bacha batebya abananchi bakora public participation kero kinde mbara bali responsible asokorosi budget yiga
abantu bakorosi budget alitangana into what the arms of government to what the executive executive here headed by the president they will come up with budget estimates in projects key when eju okora bananchi then to whether not harm ekorokwa parliament executive te kunya gutumika chibesa te kunya ara korosi budget kigero ike ekera ya rosile budget ike ba approved eba no arcade una lichiko ligoteba from parliament to the committees in parliament una ono inade ya budget and appropriation committee to the finance yebone go tuja authority la finance bill because a budget ekoba supported gose ekoba financed na taxes the government ne when the finance bill ne all the taxes the government asekuja kurusi sources in the budget fund the budget ye bono a budget mu abantu bakorosisi just executive lakini abananchi mbabwene da usishwa especially during public participation igega nene no mwana nyai abananchi abange batamanyeti banye go complain ni budget ya bire kwenda uto government chinyinge ga kitali very transparent ba wocha ba korea that exercise as a formality already they have decided what they want to do for the people by the number of the public participation osaigo and to kuchunguza those documents most to makonyara maoni ali abananchi ba kwanete during public participation again that it go as a budget the budget when the chorus were actually the executive n'abananchi babe involved na parliament kigather representatives y'abananchi yakora maona ale mna atwale project ngina afirira akoro in our community lakini ngonya wikere executive bono muchumbo ora bachumbe na babwenda kwera maoni aya baligereka bakori that budget before it araba approved but anya approve but this is what needs to be done iko biso to muchumbo mo otama ingia akora ora otanya go represent abantu well in parliament because still the project na wajiko wekwa input ya etetoka input ya bananchi sako abako represent from the constituents
okay ine sensemeri ya national level so changa sika asense moye county mbara bibali bako ba involved
as a country is it's almost the same the county to the chihamu ibere to the executive ham a year headed SEO ere governor to the assembly ham headed by the speaker a budget normally emanate ko executive executives nero mutinyuna no previous year kigirisa sako a national government ya sakoro se budget na county governments na Georgia sakoro their budgets ono ya at the same stages in other stage chinye formulation up to now we are in formulation especially totally formulation na implementation the budget yo mwaka uli ego jakoyara on that date a formulation the budget yo mwaka oyo ego juwanza kokolega July bono ikara ya rule executive nko iruere nere county assembly as a committee nere roro o ekorokwa budget appropriation committee ko headed no na ba MCA o ba MCA na ba ko chorwa ba in those committee yo mo chairman abande ba committee members na bro bari get this budget from executive because executive so na jiji county ingo banya ji department committee kwanyora a department ene rwete chi project chiko korwa mwako mugima na even services ne department ene the same aba MC aba tuso konyora namba ku understand tuso konyora na to ko katwa jora ba MC bande pata some de bata understand to what is a budget this is where the problem is ego rekere executive ya rule budget estimates abana ba wene to konyerikere all the projects the project uja kobekwa chibese uja cost ne okonyora bakole do valuing ye project mole isan hara modern project ye monye begete chibese yinyi chi project chibegere chibese chitayo mo complain lakini one unfortunately aba MCA baito almost all of especially on the county to call budget analysis or una yaro account assembly yani una yaro executive work resi mo se baga work resi ma devi tie budget yunere igo to abekera kabesa kainoro or kwanya ona banyetiri because twanya kora ba ko iran pack budget and twanya kwanya ba complain budget yaeta kaya etire bono rende yamawanza okoreka egas no that is
kwa beriko kwanerengana gabunga sometimes akonyaranga aba MCM bali kurigireria budget elibuneganire twarira matuka mange no nyana sense mo ye finance bill no nya sense mo ye budget akonyaranga muraibu nsakurugo chikanga asaba bunge nga etie budget elibunere igoto chake gokora imirimo kerekende kerengeri kiago nkirekike kubwatikana ninganeyo
ekerore president ne what the interest chaye that why chief erekero ya Rosary government that nyore budget yani budget etwe chibese chetwe akole projects dia promise the wananchi takinda bwene ti kisheria kwa mura aba chumbe ba understand tema chikabo una baite budget uneleyo ntobwate public finance Management Act egote budget we interrogated ne forwarded some guidelines it's not kigeranto bwate unaona in the county level 70% when they go used in the current expenditure 30% used in the development expenditure you go aba chumbe but when they go interrogate ne forwarded these rules number 2 nkaito uji ko chiba so budget this una ono Kenya you know ekamara koligere to what a debt to when the service kiron jilega previous government ne government current government ya take is 11 trillion chi will attract actually interest ya 1.1 trillion you see ama dinaro patrose ile budget and toje ko get taxes toje ko sangere kwanya still there is a visit we can ende ati go bor di deni to complain ro to go bor is not number 2 aba chumba bambo wenda ko get taxes honestly no one ka to get that financial pill we got the punitive taxes umugati or taxed crude and refined oil ever taxed is not bono e burden always secret tax ekobekwa ebange kerekobekwa e burden go and as the final consumer asoma nanchi ego gara no ane na roje motor vehicle kwele the tax wa bekire to the owners umuntu na wade bus kwa mubekere tax tax ida kunyakana ago gini grisi affair eji wa affect o mananchi ama ko jikonyole kwenda is not ikobono the president legally even the governor mbabwe at the legal basis yawa dane budget una nanyerosigo ete utigabona abajumbe baitu abana baye wa 50 pop baye we sabago baye hotel baye una ono president ya tebete una digatoye budget yena tura bakora amagendero biba bone kero kuri une budget ya yebone kwireni abajumbe mbebe kero kibesoro parliament una chiko ba caution boro wase budget already boro bebe kero kibesa mangu wakana bare house levy una chiko ba caution una boro bono bago kuna chibesa nyingi na digara parliament besinde mwana njere ngojo ko caution is not that's where the problem lies na bachumbe baitu dakito utakaba very objective barigerera amaslahi y'abananchi berigerera boroboka abanyene barigerera amaslahi ya president toro si budget is sustainable budget twanyara gufund
mbiyabona sana mwanchi muri yeli abegeta seni Kyandizi TV ningotogenda gusanga emambi yabonoiga asitogendete kumurikira igoro ye budget na kiekorosi gwa ndekera yabirige korosi gwa ngaki gwetigwa nabayigonga ikibesa chikorwa iki kirabe kigotumika asogo ikeranya amaganyo ye budget ikondo mwanchi murire ningotogenda gusanga no mugenito ase studio yomanyikante na resource keratogendete kumurikira amangana yo nabo gusangana into gwitira ase kinsemo mitandao ensemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News, website www.ndizitv.net. Wego nabo gusangana into gwitira sinamba yesimi ya 0792192834 otumanyenga yokubwatia umorobilikuru andonye kubwate ibuli rinde lyonsi kolengana nekirenga keli tukolya rero nabo gusangana into onye kubwate kerengera likiago gwitira aso kumulikira budget nabo boigo ogusanga na into kondeli sosa tobeto kumulikira igoro ye budget ndabato kuligereria ngakia korosigwa ngakiekero yekire ase omwananchi kurende kibese kiga cyabere kikubikwa sensemeri budget ngayikikorwa cyaba kiguyikiranya magani yali budget
una national budget eco funded one own taxes ebangeria serikali yabangetaga kurusi kurasa abananchi enera the main source to fund the budget semo yende is borrowing to what the local borrowing serikali na vego borrow from local banks local industries ntobwate emesada nermo ko iguna ya ruru usiko ko na wago bor ko in terms of loans you sometimes you just have a very dear one government eta bor prudently manage bese jingo bor chijiko interest rate ya enere chijiko korega asiye na indega asiye jo kona buchie ko generate income to ya kwerende ntobwate negintu gikoro kilans emesada nege serikali okonyora either the government ya very funded na international organizations kwanya chibese chikorwa borrowing chikorwa semisada korwa own taxes na internal borrowing ichona chikomeke budget in a resource actually the government dependent on polisi chibese chego da yuji kutumeka wakana imeshara akokora abananchi amagendero
aina sense moye serikali ene tumulikiranga se serikali
each county nero the same serikali ni each county ego depend on national government budget ya rosi ya national government ngokora barega bakora appropriation nko abari county chibesa chikoro equity per share bakuriye na kisi revenue projection yabo jibese yirenga baje gusangira yebango bakonyora nko sangira bari bangere igoro bese yabo yakute poshya na be increase ono ntubwate national funding yekorukwa ikute poshya ntubwate unspent balances jibese njiro konyora even national government njiro konyora ita spend tie kule according to mipangilio yabo still ngoso ajira se budget ono national government na county government unspent balance jibese njire county yakwa koreo eitandire government national government ira abase go frustrate counties wanyo jua chia when the korwe wa a given time national government ira jitoma yaja kujitoma muna wano for example jitume uno motinyo we are having very few days a budget yo makoyo kore kwirende implementation ere wono chibese njite chiko tigara because pa okore procurement ni chibese njite chiko konyora wono muchita tumigeti chibese chia nene kato ko analyze mono ni chia development kwa konyora county government yeko ira ni expenditure to wanyora mbaka expenditure mbaka toare woli montere ta yonya gukwa imeshara kera current expenditure no ego toka wono kwa onde ta yonya ko litaya ni use na expenditure ndo ko raba ko chira ni mono ebi chibesa mono to ko county government wa ko energy development so to bwale to spend balances to bwale on source revenue account nene ngo kamere with proper guidelines na kiyo chosangere bango ye county chigari chiweta para ase county ebia sara abantu babege tororo ona kiyo chosangere bango yaye ifandi budget to bwate na grants chiri chigo je county unabono to bwate froka to bwate chibes chia ruji county ko froka je ko financing local led climate action groups and to where the Jafari in additional agriculture chibese cha nene na jiro na jaba na nji bazari komanya wanyo musada no jete wanyo wasine springs ya karoso wase county county ya use chibese che dona chichi aye bange the karoso springs ba ga no corruption e ko bahari mona nje rote mtu abege the budget ya service mambi ya roso tu lakini ta mayambi de bia be funded na donors you want those are the also sources the county the konyora egose go fund the budget yae
okay tumurikirango serikali ya county ya Nyamira budget yabo yo mwaka w'ikiri 2024 ne mwaka w'ikiri 2025 nereye
isokoliga the budget ya Nyamira ekero have it here to analyze it to already serikali ya projection ya oko bachi basicire 5 billion 5 point something billion na gorobo ba projectly and spend balances chiro almost 300 something twaro chali on source revenue ba approximately ba a target ba bekire ba jo collect around 400 a million to what the conditional grants and then conditional grants you jakurwewo e recommend chibese chons as Nyamira county plan to spend a budget ya 7 point something billion actually let us call it 7 billion that is what they are doing but it's point something to something billion to run you want a budget ya Nyamira is actually 7 billion ono igaba planet ko spend chibese echo kubeka amagenderero ku projects na services igira abantu bari kire meshara awakan so that for the year 2024-2025 the year na yego ba approved that is on this month because after budget ye when they are approved ye national bono ye county nere go foro it was approved then chibese chibono waigenta bana nchi babwenda komanya ntobwa the kobachire divided into two chire chikwenda executive and and as county assembly where the speaker is actually the chair project chair county assembly lakini gato tena jibese chair sirire into mostly to ko muleka cheche executive tueva unajibese nchire naba as under county assembly chigo juenda ko development chigende chiko akane meshara
Okay, ndetora bweteraga butraso somutima komukeigo tokwira nano tebinga ngikeli bako consider bamanya kobeka budget yabo igo manchi umurigere ambye muno sana asogendete gusanga into asomurubere wense yobonchereri abono mambye asogendete gusanga no mugeni to risosa korwase county ya Nyamiro yogendete gutumanya igoro yensemeli yo kumurikera budget kwendo manchi umurigere yate traso asomutima komukeigo toskatonyegera ngwira ntarasege keke kerbusyo elinde to gusanga amange.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Biwa Health Natural Herbs Clinic nenyagitari ya Chirenguma asokorwa obogwenya gotumika amaliogo yemete mbabwate abanyagitari buna Dr. Gikonyo abakolingolia na kogwenya amaroire abuna arthritis, oburoiro bweskari, high blood pressure, UTI, ulcers, asthma, hemorrhoids, fibroids, prostate enlargement na gokwa endurume. Boigonko na bale amaliogo asaba sacha bali ya chinguru cyabo kiranirense abasubati babwate omuchando bokorole rangi na boigo oboroire bwelisangwa na yande amange mbabwate chimashini chekerero echichikolingolia amaroire eliokonyora obokoleri bwabo batalerekera litko asorosagirwa borwa Nairobi, Kisumu, gose Mombasa. Umerana n'abanyagitari kera litko lya Jumapili ya Sensemeli ya Ikonge asomo bagani o Millennium angenegeta seni kya mabuta ya Pebo. Kera litko lya Jumatatu ya Sensemeli ya Nyamira asomo bagani o Nyamira angene bengi ya Equity. Kera litkoria Jumanne imeyomo chobo songo omubagani o Capitol Irongo litangani room 117 naboko kwana na barabo gwetera ase namba yesimi ya 0722 300 630 gose 0788 313 910. Piwa Health Natural Herbs Clinic. Your health is our priority.
Naona ngoma imeshika sana.
Lazima nitese. Ndio maana nimeileta studio.
Karibu E-Generation Studio.
Asante.
Walai, ndani kama msukule, niezeze zile vitamini. Nipete na such kind of love, baby sing unanipenda.
E-Generation Studios igobabwato bokorera ubuya bunabono mbabwate photo studio asura kukibice cingiya cinsera ekyo abantu bawo baragusunze asama tukare bosyo mbabwate DJ Academy asoko bunduso muzeke na wocho kanya cingero cingiya ekyo abantu bararengurya mariko mbabwate audio studio eyo egasoka amariyo y'amakironoko nagaiga mwanje are nayo gokora bare live streaming na bwigo mbabwate video shoot asibabwate chikamera chingia ekyo kibosoka kibice chingia kweli komenta nayo mbabwate sound haya eyo erengia asenesangerekano banyole asenyumbere ya Twin Towers lirongo lya gatano na kabiri yani 7th floor ibiyumo cyokishi.
Karibu E-Generation.
E-Generation Studio aiga utapenda.
Mpendwa msikilizaji, ni Daktari Mama Nakaima, daktari wa mitishamba, daktari kutoka pale Ukambani. Kliniki yangu ama ofisi yangu inapatikana pale Kisii Nyamatalo Junction. Nasaidia kwa mashinda kama bile ugonjwa ya UTI, kisonono, kifafa, tumbo inakusumbua kila saa, kichwa inakuuma kila saa, miguu inakusumbua kila saa, macho inakusumbua kila saa, na upande wa kizazi nayo nashughulikia. Yani wenye wanapata mimba kama zinatoka, mwenye akona infection sehemu ya siri nayo nashughulikia, mwenye hana nguvu ya kiume nayo tunashughulikia, na upande wa ndoa yani mapenzi tunashughulikia wenye wametengana na wenye hawana yani customers kupitia biashara yao nayo nashughulikia, na mashinda mengi sana. Kwa maelezo zaidi ni 0757102581. Karibuni kwa kliniki.
Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omuguzi.
Okay, byakegima omwanche muligereria maiga yogosio meachiduka na endengo kwaligania asento ndeiga ya kabere chinga kitoneta gusanga imemoro bilyo bwense yo bonchereria stogendeta gusanga no mugenita se studio yo manyikanite mna resource chinga kyagendete kumulikira amangana arengete budget kwendo mwanche muligereria nabo kwenda kutobwati asinsemo chichi mitanda asinsemo ya Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital, YouTube Ndizi TV News na bege website www.ndizitv.net kunyantara swaso mutimo komukeigo na bagingo mobori nga ningi keri bakorosia budget bago consider bamanya gwetia budget ya konete twira na sensemo yaye na inde abe kawo toiranele nabokora to mulikira sensemo ndinga ningi ni serikali guchi ya consider yamanya korosia budget iga
serikali ndio nsa wikiriria magana projects in terms of priorities. Project kile chwa the priority kila kwa mwananchi. Kile budget wenda kwa centered aso mwananchi. Na number 2 ile on development ye country. You know we are in you know like Kenya is a developing country. Na kitura university especially in transport sector to improve to transport sector or nalio kuonjolelia kula raisi toligere priority like in education. What are the key areas to wenete ku invest in so ngoligere bali nto kwa development amagana development projects na kitura develop a country yaito in general. A priority and babwenda kuligereria is about gender. You know projects injiri wenda ko touch abangina kikuba promote because we is to empower mongina we empower the whole world. Igekere budget ko koroswa babwenda kuligereria that projects kitobege kira empower magana gender ntobwa the vulnerable group group people with disability project ngutachire abantu balia ebirema project kiabo twababekira in this budget edinduranya ku empower abantu bali vulnerable tugenda kuligerera amangana youth which are the projects kibekira say budget ibina bitukulige bya muhimu project kibekire so that kegera ntu to isikulige like our country almost 70% are young people na gitora beka project so that ki create employment for our people ki promote skills to youth you see that naende twama kuligereria marginal again to get togoroka equalization kwende fund abuna county chireiga not all of them chire developed yarji with the same resources was chia developed at the same level it was chire marginalized inaki na chiro chikoba chikogiro and twama kuligereria ono SMO ye country amadeni atobwate na ono Kenya ekero Kenya Kwanza yasoete yathondete yanyorete country ne gwata madeni amange amadeni aya tobwate arisco mikakati kitu abegere kunyapunguza you see that because you cannot lose a budget kwenye create amade give ntombire as a country to wenda kurigereria inaki tokujiko finance a budget do we continue more borrowing chigende kwa for expense matekere country ego borrow you say definitely you affect to mwananchi into kuja kuchiakana you see that so barigena again to get prudence in resource utilization bintu kitoko punguza you see that na wanondo che budget ya tisi ya barige number that go frozen employment number that kwenda kolika bantu and you know abana baito da barige school you see that so those are the factors ekere a budget na priorities mikito kwenda kwa egitanga mikibwenda kwa kali gitanga you see that lakini most budgets ekatoko chirigere okonyora njiro consider most of those things okonyora babege the project just like that which is not even a priority kwanyora ebikira so kibesa ya the only project in erego kigere a government ndio sekaba ekere kwa formed the president go say the party area ile kwe ne the manifesto ya ne wende kwa align a budget ye ne manifesto even though ya tabeti abananchi uchiko bakorera ne era aligned to that you see that
ekero kurigereria abune serikali ya county ya Nyamira maybe as a budget ya boyo mwako yiga 2024-2025 project kichirioroche barabo babere bakobeka bosyo
as you see chibese chigo chi county unandi chigo chigo korega sel chivelement kokora chi county tangoje chinteneko but ekero tokole kitoko analyze budget ya Nyamira ni chi county chiti auto konya wabeka chi project very well babeka chipara babeka magana yo jibohol babeka magana y'ichinyigetari babeka na services chiri babwenda kwenda kwirinde kwanyora those kwenda the projects njibekiro on just on the paper but wona kana to analyze this project take to analyze to makonyora njiri babegete bagosokera chibesa kwanyora na ji project njire umatekera ko se budget endongera to kuruka timeline una mtoto ya una manga stadium ya bege tue ya anzi tuno delete gaba but ya bege go soke jibesa nanda again twaji konye chunguza twaji kwa on the ground twanya njanya kwaera na boko nyone bese be kiroro na no konye iya another financial year kwanya ndebe bese be kiroro una bono we have some audit queries or we have some projects especially in Nyamira chire in this budget chiroreire chikokoro duplication is not you go on Nyamira of course chipara nchibekire in every ward utatika bona ke tuja twali ke twara equity twanyora maybe asanali chi ward ngidi chi chinde chibekere chinke no to hold MCS because these are the representatives of people ekerare in the county assembly ekere budget ye no ekuchiko somo na kiadari kolisa na haram other projects ejimumbekere in my ward echinde chiro ile echinde njanya gakorwa acha previous year and umuntu nero to ferire abantu ba ferire county government senators barobuto ko bayiwera bare Nairobi etoko bayiwera senators bara matanga no ba ukwanira about budgets babegire kirokia county assemblies you know they are playing a good role ko negotiate kibasije ji county watu rale debe se county bwatia etumeke uzo kwanyora bande ba ko bernege cap ba kwanyora egaba ne mo compromised yamo bugore debes oko iwekera tara egwebese kiroko iwa bande kirwa wa keriogi bako iwe una senator ya tere jibes chialiru ose jibes njiri gotumeka bia ekera tara ile rwege cap lakini kera ile rwege cap wanyora okirire kiri yakore kwire
ekero kurigereria ntobata batebanga kire budget ekorosigwa umwana inchi na bwene tabe involved kero kinde igigabuna gigasoro ngorwa gusi ninki ekogera nga abantu batamanyiti no ni budget ninki
Mbara kolero into ko civic education. Like Nyamira, una into budget pa champions. Actually we started training. Omontoyo moyo kore ward. Already into around that budget budget champions. Abana utua so medical year budget. To buada ngwa kerande mbiamono especially international budget partners and Uraia Trust. Kura to facilitate bar on the ground. Oma ede kero kurangiri mwananchi kwa mode toko so medical year budget. Abananchi na borubugu ba premtuli. Wiso kumurangiri na nchi to ba so medical year budget. Litana no deba afanero. No, kwanza kubodia maswali yayo barengere you know chibese budget chinichi hapa. Ekero besiri ya ntemi no mwibiri ko iro mwana ebesa akwanda kugora one or two things. Wikomurinde na ndakoleta malistions nege ebesiri kwangete na nyitumikirere. Ona bananchi baito one mpali concerned na mpara ba trained properly bamanye bunana ki e budget ikara ya sobiri itane ya national government o sine county no bwata ni individual responsibility ekero bintu video tanyerigire tio manye bintu kikwara okorerwe ere yao tuja kunyara kunyebwati you got the first place ne budget ye national government ya so kiryo ko approved chikopingo be kujironda national website abana njimba wende batwara this copies bale kwerende bale gerelia Nyamira chibara ile gatoire so that borwesa libata ikere no ane president basumbo mu chumbo omuboli project ichabekiru na national government Nyamira constituency yao ngaijire so mu chumba atekere responsibility nera ajikole fora ona ne county aba MCA mbabwenete also kwa enlighten abananchi so abana ndaba MCA dari boroba kubeka projects lakini ekereta bekiri maitho igatubabori egakora borbo ekigasibabwa atanisatu oversight pa dikere besyo mwananchi terio ba oversight ji project ji executive ya dere kubeka chibe kubuya besa tesira representation ba represent mwananchi barosi na registration barosi amachi ono mwananchi gaiga no nekera akira kona jereses ine besa yaye erese na bwende ko manyegera chiri nyagetari ina kino services chi nyagetari chiri o ene nyagetari otemari ogotayo you are paying tax we need to come na bananchi totebe no let us ask the governor buyachire nyagetari gete twanyore kwirende twanyora mari ogotayo why and even to the media whatever mari ogotayo nyageta and we are paying tax so we keep this county government on toes so mwananchi nabwadiri pagari nene sana. One, understand documents ye budget. Ne bono Nyamira or the county government. Lichiko ligo teba. Any budget document we kebe on a county website. Are you seeing that? Bono ji county nyinge na chiroje sarjima ndawa na nje bata understand it. Documents ji bari kobe. So the counties tuna Nyamira twanye pushiri. Actually like the last year, the previous a budget ye ujakwara. Usakwa na bokonyo all the documents. Iko mwananchi na wenda kumanya which document. One, to what the CIDP. The CIDP Ekoro County Integrated Development Plan. Eko run for 5 years. Ekere governor ya Sirobis ne wenete the project chideo ja okorera aba 90 for 5 years and they call it public participation karaba 90 bamanye these are the project for 5 years toma otwari ndugende goro kwa ADP annual development plan ekorusikuru asesi IDP kiro mwaka goike document yaba 90 banyerige omwaka oyo asiji project je gavana ya gotokora for 5 years o myake o mwaka oyo ti project ile nga yabekire ejo gotokorera are you smart to what the document in the SCPROP. SCPROP we go to county budget outlook and the strategy paper. Ego to koligereria mwa to the budget muna bone budget yengo erero mwa omutinyoyo document ine wende go soka pa September there torigererie na kia budget ya performance mwato de tinko sangere mole revenue nganiga mwato de tinko chi project moto bekera chinganiga koro chi project chi akoro and what is status umwana inji ta kuma yesi crop link tobwate SFC account fiscal strategy paper koro ki performance ya half year Bunabone kere budget wone goja weda wansegasi kwerende July emetinyi sitage koera the document ine wenda go soka they have here to ikiru makagati these are the project to accorded and this is the taxes to accorded to rambale in line ego na moikiru mwago mwato the ngo correct mo revenue ya 4 million lakini mwago ikire gati mwa correct on 1 million then definitely ono gaiga the count is not performing no moto to be project moto to bekera neji mwago ikire turabeka project even half ono igo yakole kwe ntubwate document chenzo koroka quarterly implementation reports every 3 months umana inja wenda kumanya buna a budget iwanza kuba implemented January aikwenda July mbale meeting itato that is mbale July mbale August mbale September October nimwenda konyore document ekorokwa a quarterly report implementation report ekorokia akakota kaedide ye budget yeli abegetwe and these are the project wanyara gukora this quarter and this is the revenue to akoreki ebona beko to komonte a budget yoli buya is not lakini to kuganye budget yere ejo wansa kwenye monta wansa mutinyo star a budget ne wansa implementation we must umananchi we ka so we wansa kwenye monta but train the bona our leaders these politicians mbale willing osomya bananchi osaba facilitate bananchi abasomiwe so that banyakomonte budget together even that is where the failure is so the government the county government now the county government ega chiwa to boivi bona no chiwa ichaki mwananchi tama I think igenderete mwana siasa ucho deba one project ya betu ya national government ucho da no maite bona nje na bege the project mwananchi karo jebekire bona maite the national government ya bege to sine county those are the areas where we have problems.
Okay. Engana yobokurumi nere yarokanire sana koirania chi county magega. Ekiagerekero kurigerie e budget ya sokire barigire nga kibabwenerete koenekia nga nguri bali chibesa chigo ikirania magani ye budget iri. Ninki yakogera chi project chigachitari gwikirana.
Approach even don't even bigo contribute to project chitari gwikirana. One when there is no oversight.
Okay.
Madeke otali montat provoka. Ebe se go soka ya demengo yaba yabantu. Igone again kenene kira konyi county government. Oversight. Aba MCA bakolegasi yawo. Omwe aba senator bakolegasi yawo. Naba nanchi bakorobasa oversight. Bali get these projects. That is number 1. Number 2 ndo yasumbuire chipaje chinge chitari ko implemented is about corruption obukurumi okonyora ebesa nebekere unabono development budgets yani development projects konyore project tigere nebekere chibesa unabono for example kanongo ligere toko kora analysis una narko gote unabono kwende Manga Stadium to an industrial park nera alisronga wanyoro rubago kagitirega wadona US chatu migatako gitakarwaga is 14.5 million mwananchi goseo ba MC mbago tena baborie totebi yango twange EPQ toligereria is not ono obukurumi obo nabwagerire ekwirende county chitari go develop na endo bukurumi obo boko facilitated ekira konyone potism error igaba na yaire kwerende yaire chikura ya leta abairi ya position to these strategic points use not without even considering skills java and education number 2 kwanyora ekwerende political psychophants kwanyora ngo support na lenge gabana na begede besa ya nororo na ewegas unabono wose uno chief of staff na ekwende usomo minister egasi ya negera ndo nebesa ya nginta kwanda kuira usinebesa ngo chikosokere mugabana is not so tuzo kubwata magana provera amagana abantu ba qualified by the light shops and then to follow that budget to the director. In fact tiango time count cheto chira very rich lakini wone sali bukulumi bwa bero roji count cheto esali na kyokonyora umuntu akobega bana very few days kwanyora wadi chikoro everywhere kwanyora umuntu aro umwe unabone case ngwaro chera ikawa county the speaker and the clerk of county assembly audit queries to our report here we have it chibesa chisirete chiri chinyinge sana batumegete bobesa bajuko even the counter kwenda the senate basi yuwe no kukwana ba different figures sali bali de chibesa na baro wesali baro bale counter assembly ndo ati abantu bako ba oversight the executive ne bwate ya aba MC na bawenda ko ba oversight lakini counter assembly ndo bwate kutwara even civil societies which are very strong chiko ba audit na auditor na general colleagues na COP report, that is control budget report tuamanya bono kwa makonyora bono na counter assembly ba compromise chibese chabe budget ilibale kwanyora mnabone ke twaro to kwa social audit on the ground kwanyora chio business nchiaga je nyamira chia MCS ward offices kwa makonyora office ya mer overvalued ya office kwa gajo na 7 million almost 7 million pama ko gitaba gitaiga badana batumirikire 3 million imagine those offices which are there. Are you smart? That is an example of Nyamira but most counties actually that is what they are doing bono lende bono corruption yeye okonyora to budget table na bono gotumika 7 billion actually besura aje konyora jujo ikiroma nanji usikira kwa development is less than 3 billion echichindi cha begure megu where do we expect na wanye county to develop they are killing our counties na bananchi nabo togora prema watangani ekeraba leaders toja tukobol chikura ose leaders bakobol chikura litangani umuntu akoibebesa okonya koretera kwa mochora wachora umuibi wachora rebesa tuchoreti umuntu racho koregas do you expect umuntu yaende perform bono bamanyire that is Nyamira kisi at large ko be leader we go to arichibe igone kero monta soire gusene county awe position kora iba sara be kamugu bone kera uja kuligi chikura aikera gutenna yo wansa bantu mbari gutaka gotegerera ikiura chiko bakorera aho dena kwana bwango tubikira i wansa banyole leader ko babikira niga that is the leader is not ono abana injina baromba bwenda batayuna ki ebese tigeche bali umuntu spend ebese tachor ko be leader muchore leader enda ko balendera amali so nabana injina baromba bwenda very key role asoko changira mwana corruption kigera ibae ibuna chitenka oni bintu byane usuna na chitenka iba chibese chitenka koletera ukanga kirikura where do you expect one we go mundo ya endenera aibe aira ndibeseria ya kolete gwe you won't let away from mwana inchi go chikwirende na turanyare go chincha duranyare go amana corruption kwera risosa yaberege korokana ngakire budget ya korosiwa process iri chinga kiko bwatigwa nigo chi county chinyinge chigotumika libagelio ase okoiba chibesa kurikene ndabo huratumanyanga nchirakiye ekere budget ekorosuna na what this processes chire isano yaninye process as chibes chiuche chasere ni implementation ekere chi project chansire bono to approve kigera to kunya ko use chibes chitara ba approved but ekere bono chi counties na national government budget area vera approved chibes chibono ko baganu chire to the departments una chia with the budget yabo is not bono chenda na ichi chenda county assembly bono banza ku implement baada ya ona project kete to adete to kunyege sima asegete bona alia chi contract ya ma wansa ko ba awarded ega chi contract ko ba awarded bono kwa makonyora abantu bakora the same contract na abantu na ba MCA ega bana nere wa the interest yale tabasani baye yale tabaili baye company chabo So without proper procedures being followed, kwanya kwa iru mwana wa contract, omu MCA nera okore contract, epare korosi kunja aboye. Inkio okora. Itangano ikabe moro mumo sinini, itangano ikake yaga paraka, itangano ikatabe kama carpets jiko kole kwerende. Kwa moya kwa jibe sabu no chiko sidera ige koro mundo okore kwende contract no mu MCA. Bono nakina ndara anze ku inspect. Bona uno jibe sema bono bana njimbanyo kwevoria aikereko epare ya sel kole banze ko for kora to ango banze ko for una naki to ango PQ to ango ngo kole contract banze ko for so from there na tura kipwe kwende lakini ono ji contract ga charwe go sina mo idio we contract no je ko supervise na rosie egendo kere very shoddy cannot question it's not na number 2 kwa nyore project nere yara ko korwa yare ngon just paper ya bege tunando jitu ba kunyere bisima 10 award get kama was nyore bisima bya kunye tumbitatu bone binde bana nchimbali oforo mbya jitu bya kunya byons ebese ya sitira gabo if not kigere project ya bekru ase pepe patched document MCA kigera boroguna bada ya maiso ya abananchi toje abananchi boroguna utura bento ndo wa prema search lakini bantu babwenda okolekwe lakini mu MCA na senators that is their role oversight documents jiri babwenda ko board to hanga document ye paje tuna mother de moja ko tokola project kide mother de mara ko beka sitenga yeri mwanye rigere status ya inde nkaye kera ngoligere twanya barule even fake reports kikoenda to the auditor general ejidiyenda kia control budget kere binde ko babire submitted but ba borobumba ko nyoranza jogo dale ground na mo dando ka kunyite entoka begete ECD class ya segete lakini on the paper lakini physically on the ground is not there it's not all that is why we as budget partners to are training every budget champion in every ward. Ikatwa rode bade na ECD classes nje jibe ko semanga ward. To mpaka ubeke place ase uja kobeko. To wagire budget champion to amade yandangu to akire chibicha. Kosiji pachi project in error. Onto magonya project ite. Bon to answer go forward to balikira memos over that project is not there. Lakini bono rende sa tutalikonyo support from the senator wanya rose MCA ya bwa the contract ya ali chibesa bono maite bigo chuna nkuduwandi kutole no mundu itokorwani wa usina so abananchi baso iwume bosa batanda sadune yenebese yawe yasiri during public participation una wono nyambira ndiri banyebegete gatwajita kwa the website yabo tukanyora obegete public participation on a weekend Lichi country kwarao public participation ewe on weekend. We did an SMS to the minister of finance why are you putting public participation on weekend? And magonyora public participation ewe on a weekend. Tagwa magonyona bogjora award public participation ewe township ward. Yeah, township ward ewe guy. On that is confusion. That is the again yogonyora batatageti abananchi bamanyengi kigenda. So that what the civil society so saba MCA batene bakwane bono tari sete bagaja go change bono abo them participation ya collect to achieve as public participation chiko kor koma konyora abananchi mbayo konyora discount employees bawe call public participation bono mwananchi yo kia uja kumanya kia renga se document Kosa kwa nyora wananchi bagote unojoje public participation esoda nega garo no muga no ode ko mwananchi ako ndo le binegere biaye no muga dineso tadi ko manyanki abenda ko kwenda is not so that is why amananchi they need to be brought on board na tura chibese cha chikwende che project yeyo na kwa board na chira ko kwinchirasi and each county got the right things
karikende ndopata ko ruase serikali nene committee ye kumulikiranga yabegete gakobe kwa se budget abere kago ikirana onyetara ikirana barigereria nga omuchando ngeyore
ntobwat ebitengo bibere ntobwat akamugeko control budget as Muswati Nyakanga Dr. Nyakanga tenet ntobwat auditor you nasi inera as auditor general report ekero budget unabono eye egende ta ko implemented ye ko around that yet sheria ngo tebere within 6 months na wenda gukora auditor na wenda ko audit chi county chi county ko submit the reports within 3 months. Actually once to che ko era mutinyosta ba mutinyo kianda end of September, the county went to submit reports to the Auditor General for audit. Or auditor audited those financial reports. Or those reports or say chibesincha to make a 2 year. But only problem with auditor got what their opinions. Again, these auditors mbali kuja to the ground kapsa by that to every word. Oh my then I won't go cook. I can cook figures. Tell to get the city school or need. I use that. On our report. On our reports. Oh no. Unamba hoja bakora fiscal verification. Project Jones. Na wakonyora bahirwa fake report. But lende koligere to their reports. Unaona ono is koligere their report ya Auditor General. Nyamira County, and the adverse report. You know, we have 4 types of reports. Key opinion, key auditor. Most unqualified. Unqualified, the county performed exceptionally well. To make the Jivas Gino Chiatake, Unura Omana A na school. Toma Utuara qualified report. At least, the end of Jivas Gino to make the Yano to make 100% via, again at least B plus there. It's okay hata kuna some queries kidogo so lakini mo to make the Jivas almost via. Dubu hata pone kiroko nyore county yakawa an adverse report. That is almost to a D minus. Mugu at supportive document, mugu at the project, get the mojo the letter and go invoice. Letter and get the support to a bank statement, Jivas Jinja so like this. Moyon Moku get figures. Yan Mori the Jivas County, Jivas G project they are not there. Like in Yamira now, that is the adverse report we are having. Abanama in Chimbabwe, our MCMba when they will discuss this report. Chibas and Gachia Siret, Unatoko and adverse report. You know, report, but they got one of Koewa, a disclaimer. A disclaimer report, Wogan County, a disclaimer. Nay, even the Auditor General. She was a chirire to the point in Bagawa, I don't have a comment. I cannot comment on this. Because one of you has a chirire to you go on a Moga adverse report. It's a very bad report. Just look at the County Assembly Anyamir. Or the audit queries or on Najibas Chisirit. Even you wonder, Gava MCA Vanyamira, when they go play an oversight role, utaona the speaker are impeached. Utaona are impeached, have arrested, Chibas Jiji wananchi jisilete, because near the head of that section, Chibas Jiji recovered, because abange na bakora the contract, na baire the Chibas Jiri, lakini bono yesa maybe bakora na ba MCS, bono ba MCS they cannot, because kisheria, umundu wenda ku impeach the speaker is the MCS. Lakini bono kiroko nyoro na baliete together. They cannot ask. This is something which is in public domain. Waromba and the Senate, they cannot even explain Unajibas Nyamira Chisirete, but even to that auditor report, the audit queries, you know, if you look at that report, you will cry. Chive say Chisirete left, right, and these are the same people, their position about the body of 2027. Ever about your letter of an engineer, your boy. Like you know, and what make a say, oh, boy, you have an engineer and about, imagine if the speaker, was chinganiga. Nando na tuwe to that kubodio over senator. Suppose you to make a chichia or wavy and I know a senator. Do you expect that you go play an oversight role in Yamir? Still, my that's best you go sit still the chico what you can go sit.
Okay, mbiyamana sana sokurwa eviringa elibiago ndosenye ebirobito bya tonyorire kigima kerekende mbose mikiora begukoro gucha ase omwana inchi kawaida ekero nonyekera barangiri gusangirira ebirengera lingikiri babwenete gukora
nchenge ntona atebya abantu baito ba both Nyamira and Kisii abana inchi ewe se ego base budget account ni yaino no when to play a very clear role no mwananchi ekera public participation ya rangiriwe watendi oroji project chicha bekirwa se area yao a project itabekira se area yao o demand because this is your money so na ende kero chi project chicha bekirwa understand chi project account yo korero makomogima it's your responsibility of follow this project or na kikolire or ngoire tender or egasine kolire to the standard because this is your money number 2 abantu ayekwende abananchi mugwenda korra leaders mogochora ekero gochora unagogochora umwibi to we expect that aje ukwibira gari yono abantu abagutina chikura ba access barikiribia kigera babiri in various position roji position in jibabwa currently ina kiba colleagues ekera gocha gogote uno ibira se konyari na ndaja gogote ono ngachikura do you expect that go mwibi igono gochora waitu tikanto gochora kore based on money tikanto chora abarayaba na barabarendere ebintu byaino so igo ntogedete go train ama abananchi especially in Nyamira magana ye budget itukuba saba egato abarangiri just come to ba train na ki kimogenda koregerera se budget ni munyara gutwara ubumanyi so nari uranyare knowledge is power nari uranyare ko monte budget unego chugutumeka yao and aba MCS aba batari perform let us to but the truth ba fed their oversight laws na ba MCS banyamira because on they complain ba irwa mauga bono na bakori senator nere dunya kunyimuigwera nya kwana samatanga nini tihaje to the ground chibasi cyabanyamira nchisi ndabona bone che budget ye uchikoba implemented was July irinde to amar ajani chibasi kirikira se budget chi project jida se budget actually najira chi affect directly abana ba ona chi affect directly ige budget ye dali ye govern budget ye ne yeto to stand firm to protect ina na ngote.
Okay, matenga abananchi abange babiri bagwesoke gukana finance bill yo mwako yega batekerega likiawo ngirikike kubwatikana finance bill
linchi no yo mobo kana finance bill because ye go manyedigere we are the punitive taxes ege ko gerega to ko financial bill ya 2023 ebintu biri babege the taxes jiba begete ogodigere ya targets jiba begete mbachi achievete you know even what there no sangere VAT maybe 40 million you only collected 16 billion 60 billion you have collected 16 billion oku increase tax go se wo bega meka kati improve okole kwenda you see that you go get to kuligere financial bill ya 2023 there are gaps jitarget njide government ya begete this is what we are going to amagonyora basangere ti revenue 57% which means and babwenda gukora litangani no ku improve the gaps uno boyibwarenge gati bo be reduced una expenditure of unnecessary una trips and living the bindi byalenga roba improve on that tali bakomendera banancheta ya tax because you increase taxes bomayene kiboro buna tungu asinye gusangere liali alenga bomayene kitubwado ne yero kero kunye ni kiso jonyo ara kunye sangere and why are you increasing on basic commodities the burden which will affect when actually we are going to lose job opportunities investors that are going to run away tax regoro businesses are going to collapse umuguri mutakatali kujikonyara kuira mwana school are you seeing that igobono inchengo tababa chumba unagoro mu chumba chorire regardless which party you have digirelia interest yo mananchi bono nakito debe abajumba abantu abawojeti dalekani bago jagoliki chikura abananchi mobe macho na nentu da korango juwaka yes tumanye na kiwa era ka yes so that take rago chi ground itakuwa hostile that is my
korengana na resource chinga kitoko korera ne finance bill yonse boneta gochenchi go sebinto mbire gatiga ali biboneta kuligirira
as a financial bill yebenda go korera mareke pisho tali yonse because again you cannot learn a budget without revenue isn't that ntobwa these taxes especially the new taxes kiko tax ya mugati or the best kiasi equivalent amaguta because this is what equivalent wallet motor vehicle equivalent tax bari go classify which vehicles one murajibeka Jonesby emundo jibasi jina kito tumeka jigadi jina toko koro usafiri e bad still yako na se e consume a consumer igomba bweneta gukora marekepisho. We are not trying to say but to the on speed gabali gereto speed to taxes chabekirwe chirusi wororo ba wide name to go tax base. Are you seeing that? You know, we as much as we depend on revenue or collect, there are ways chinchiranjiri chinde muranyara komekia kwenda this measures ya tax bataida kobeka nchi umiso mwananchi chikole kwerende. We can reduce even projects which are not priorities. Elasma ama deni ya tokote una ara mangi. Is it a must to akana madeni ya at once? You can restructure no na ekero ko ire loan ekero wa ikire ya kore mele on the way turko ende bango then na okonyora kuana kwa reduce it to restructure ama loan bakana ko nyakane miaka evere nyakane miaka ene lakini ngaka ne chibasi chinge. Is not all those are the measures a government when the kurigereria na ki ego konyo mwananchi because this money honestly chikuru aso mwananchi kwa mu tax everything ono emambe na ora ndoko ba tax de shadow yao kawi tax.
Okay, kero kende finance bill sagweta manyingo mancho muriere impact kiego chikoreta so mancho muriere.
In fact, we have more negative impacts than positive.
Okay.
Litangani anana chikwane. Businesses that are going to close.
Okay.
Madhekero wakana evangeli go. Enyombe rent wikeje komentere omanyana komentere rent. Transport iliku je ibintu kurwari wike increase. Bone nginje rwara ko biashara bya wike biendense. Na haya wike increase ri muntu kugura. Mambi ngo nyororo tukabwati customers. Number 2. Aso muntu kawaida. Oyo poor man. Kuja kusinywa even afford the basic necessities. Because chigo kusinywa ko beko ndagira aseme MS. Kuja kusinywa ko iro mane school. Number 4. Investors ekeroba konyore tax. Ele gorasi a country ba ko rigi country chibwa the tax ya verese so that banganyo chiororo. It's not you go on negative impact ya financial period ikabwate so many negative impacts as mwananchi as investors as equivalent. It's not you go on no ekado koligerelia this financial bill at 2024 to me and other people banyerigere banyasomere ntumane ndo kwana have it here ekado twanye kwanya somere kwanyerigere nabokora madare uchakoleta you go on we are asking our government, our MP, ya parliament, ekore roma like a pisho, lakini toje toraba ya umente bone kire government itaite kwende antunguja kugurwali. MP onguja kwandara akekura de umente serikali mokore roma gendera. It's not. So we are not saying that they totally have thrown away, but in the economy like a bishop, those punitive taxes measures in place, Chirusi war ever adjusted, getting to Nava Kenya to the Tokoroma Gendo services into the Aba Korea gas back and equivalent, Lakini, the existing taxes, have they been able to collect 100%? Because if you have not been able to collect 100% as you tax I'll assure you, no go make a tax collect enough. Is not? I want that language we feed the Barak Webisa, and work on any tax. I don't know your collect.
Okay. Nkwana yago yo mweli kucha sumo nchumuli nere.
Nchen kwana yaneyo oyo mweli ase baliba antegrete. A budget ne yeto chi project okore ne cheto chiga abananchi babe macho as leaders the duty pillars babe held accountable ekora na wachore tu no mu MC wachore tu no muchumbe wachore tu ne governor kora abantu bitega sina na liura urasesele because igasi chitoko kora tu bwate rewards chiribere either you get a curse or you get a blessing sekero wakolera abantu bayikwirinde abantu bali ba Nyamira babo kuchora ward ba West Mugrango kuba kirambe ya mono kerona tinete mwangede chikura ninyugete birero nabagonyakolera konya kundangire balenga nikiro kyo ya msie bono ngonya wa de torire ko WhatsApp na ende tugende ko monta egasi ya ba msie tugende ko monta igaba tugende ko monta the duty pillars ele to ba information ni no mutual information tunya ko ba hold responsible.
Okay. Ambie mwana sana sogikira nase studio na boyo gosangana into ambie mwana sana mwanchi mulire yakwa biri kugosangana into ko toga chage to morobiriga gwikabone gato ikira mwairi no gasemeria kwane na kwabere gukwimanya amangi konde gwikira abuno ngo kodro morobiri bwense yo bonchirire toska tonyegera morobiri bwese bali yo bonchirire ngo chora segikeke kirgosyo astrabe to gosanga no monchirire kora sensemeria masimba oyorabe ka gutumanya amange igoro yo bonchirire bwaye mage kamera soko ne kibna ibichana bayeri ogire wikira sole asenchira ya bene nere nyanchama Abigail enchira ne Kirubo Frida twara obuligeria borobia
Ndizi TV Ubwansu.